So today we will be seeing realization of FIR filter. So till now what we have done, that is cascade, direct form 1, direct form 2. It is applicable for both IIR as well as FIR. IIR that comes under your module 4, that is half part. Okay. So that is also completed parallelly with this topic, with this what I have taken previous classes. So now let us see realization of FIR filter. So realize an FIR filter with impulse response h of n given by h of n is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of n, u of n minus u to the power of u of n minus 4. This is an impulse response. You have to convert it in h of z. So for that it is h of n is equal to delta of n 1 by 2 delta of n minus 1 plus 1 by 4 delta of n minus 2 plus 1 by 8 delta of n minus 3 it is. So what will be your h of z? H of z will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse plus 1 by 4 z inverse 1 by 4 z raised to minus 2 plus 1 by z 1 by 8 z raised to minus 3. Okay, when you take the z transform, we know that h of z is nothing but y of z divided by x of z. So y of z what it is? It is x of z plus 1 by 2 z inverse x of z plus 1 by 4 z raised to minus 2 x of z plus 1 by 8 z raised to minus 3 x of z. So when you take the inverse, it is y of n is equal to x of n plus 1 by 2 x of n minus 1 plus x of 1 by 4 x of n minus 2 plus 1 by 8 x of n minus 3, like this. Okay, this what you have seen previously, this is also direct form 1 only. In this way also you can write. Okay, since we don't have numerator and denominator, only this part we are having, so you can draw in this way also. So this is x of n, z inverse, z inverse, z inverse. So at this point you'll be having z inverse, at this point you'll be having z raised to minus 2, at this point you'll be having z raised to minus 3. So this is an adder block. Okay, here, here and here. So correspondingly this is x of n, that is 1, coefficient is 1, so it is 1. So here it is 1 by 2, so here it is 1 by 2. Okay, so plus 1 by 4 x of n minus 2 plus 1 by 8 x of n minus 3, that is y of n. Okay, so next problem, realize the linear phase FIR filter having the following impulse response. The same thing, so you convert it into z transform, then get the y of n. Okay, so here it is 1 plus 1 by 4 z inverse minus 1 by 8 z raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 z raised to minus 3 plus z to the power of minus 4. So this is nothing but your y of z divided by x of z. So next what will be your y of n? It is nothing but x of n plus 1 by 4 x of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 x of n minus 2 plus 1 by 4 x of n minus 3 plus x of n minus 4. In the previous diagram how we have done, in the same way also you can do. Or one more thing is, we have taken common the coefficients, wherever it is common we have taken like this, x of n plus x of n minus 4. Here should be one square bracket. Okay, I have not put here, as well as here I have not put, I have forgotten. Okay, so in this way also you can do, or previous previous problem what we have done, in that way also you can do. That is one and the same thing. So coefficient 1 is the same, so we will take here. So next 1 by 4 is here, 1 by 4 is here, I'll take common. Then it is x of n minus 1 plus x of n minus 3, put a square bracket here, close it. Next minus 1 by 8 x of n minus 2 minus 1 by 8 x of n minus 2. Okay, so now how many delays we are having? We are having 4 delays. So I'll put the 4 delays, z inverse, z inverse, z inverse, z inverse. So it is altogether 4 delays. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here it is x of n, here it is x of n. So what it is, x of n and x of n minus 4. So from here I'll take 1. Okay, here from x of n minus 4, that is the 4th delay, I'll take a line here and I'll give it to an adder. Since it is 1, I'll put 1 coefficient 1 here. Okay, next x of n minus 1. So this is the one block. X here we'll be getting x of n minus 1. Okay, so next x of n minus 3. So here we'll be getting. This is z1, z raised to minus 1, z raised to minus 2, z raised to minus 3. So here we'll be getting. So what is the coefficient? It is 1 by 4. So multiplied by 1 by 4 like this. It is been added and it is been multiplied by 1 by 4. Next is 1 by 8 x of n minus 2. So n minus 2 will be here. Okay. So it is multiplied by minus 1 by 8 and we are giving it to a summation block. That is nothing but y of n. Got understood? Understood?
Yes, madam.
Next problem. Realize the linear phase FIR filter having the following impulse response. So they have given the impulse response here. H of n is equal to delta of n minus 1 by 4 delta of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 delta of n minus 2 plus 1 by 2 delta of n minus 3 minus 1 by 4 delta of n minus 4 plus delta of n minus 5. Okay. What is your H of z? Take the z transform. Then find out what is y of z, then find out what is y of n. Okay, so later you all see what is the common. So that is x of n and x of n minus 5 has the same coefficient, so we will take that in one bracket. Okay, next x of n minus 1 is here, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 is here. So that is x of n minus 1 and x of n minus 4, will take it in one block. Next 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is x of n minus 2, x of n minus 3, I'll take common, that is 1 by 2, x of n minus 2 plus x of n minus 3. So altogether how many delays we are having? We are having 5 delays. So I'll put 5 blocks, z inverse 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so x of n plus x of n minus 5. So from the 5th block and from the first one, x of n is here. Okay, starting you should take, this is x of n minus 1 it will be. Okay, from here if you take, it is x of n minus 1. So from here this is x of n, I have not written, this is x of n and this one will be your y of n. So x of n plus x of n minus 5 into 1. Okay, next x of n minus 1, x of n minus 1 and x of n minus 4, that is this one. Okay, multiplied by minus 1 by 4 like this. Okay, next x of n minus 2, this one, and x of n minus 3, this one. Okay, so multiplied by 1 by 2 like this. So this one is FIR filter. Next coming to FIR lattice structure. Listen carefully for this. So FIR lattice structure, determine the coefficients Km of the lattice filter corresponding to FIR filter described by the system function. First thing I'll show you how the lattice structure will be. So lattice structure is like this. Okay, lattice structure for the second order it is like this. So second order, this is K1, this is K1, this is K2 and this is also K2. Okay, this is x of n, this is z inverse, z inverse. Always remember how we will be drawing direct form 1, direct form 2 and the lattice structure. Direct form 1 where zeros will come, where poles will come. In the second direct form 2, that is the time delays will be common and the lattice structure will be in this way. Okay, this way it will be in this way. So now for second order we'll be having K1 and K2. So you have to find out the coefficients of K1 and K2. Coefficient, that is K1 you have to find out and K2 you have to find out. So this one is your R2 of n. Here it is R1 of n, here it is F1 of n, here it is F2 of n. Okay, like that it is. Now I have given second order, or you can see the delay is 2 here lasting. So m will be equal to 2. That is m, capital M is equal to 2. That is second order. So here this one is your A2 of 0. This one is your A2 of 1. This one will be your A2 of 2. Okay, got. So A2 of 1 is 2. A2 of 2 is 1 by 3. A2 of 0 is 1. Got. So next formulas I'll tell you all. This is small m. which varies from m minus 1, m minus 2 till 1. Okay. So there is a formula where it tells Km is equal to Am of m. Okay. So now A2 of 2 is equal to K2. A2 of 2, that is Am of m, is equal to, that is, if suppose m is equal to 2, so A2 of 2, that is equal to K2. Okay, that is equal to K2. So there is a formula. If you want, you can remember this formula also, or else you can, I'll show you directly. Am minus 1 of I is equal to Am of I minus Am of m into Am into m minus I divided by 1 minus Km square. If you want, you can remember this one, where I varies from 1 till m minus 1. So as I have told you, when m is equal to 2, you can substitute here K2 is equal to A2 of 2, that is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. To find out A1, we don't know what is A1, that is what is K1. So K1 will be equal to A1 of 1. Okay, K1 is equal to A1 of 1. So now to find out that, you can see this formula if you want, or we want A1 of 1. So how to find out A1 of 1 is equal to, A1 of 1 is equal to A2 of 1 minus A2 of 2 into A2 of 1, got, divided by 1 minus K2 square. If you want, you can substitute here also. M is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. I is equal to 1. So this is A2 of 1 minus A2 of 2. M is equal to 2 and I is equal to 1 we have taken. So A2 of, this is 2 minus 1, it is 1. A2 of 1, 1 minus K2 square. Got? A1 of 1 is equal to A2 of 1 minus A2 of 2 into A2 of 1 divided by 1 minus K2 square. So this is the formula. So what you will be getting when you substitute, you know what is A2 of 1, you know what is A2 of 2, you know what is K2. So when you substitute, you will be getting A1 of 1, that is 3 by 2. So we know that A1 of 1 is nothing but your K1, that is equal to 3 by 2. So now you have to draw. So here you will be taking the delay, that is Z inverse. Here you will be taking Z inverse. Okay. So here you will be having two summation blocks here, and here you will be having two summation blocks. So Z inverse K1 is equal to 3 by 2. K2 is equal to what it is K2? 1 by 3. Okay. So K2 is equal to 1 by 3. So here you will be having Y of n. Understood? So this is called as the lattice structure. Understood everyone? Understood?
Yes, madam.
Others, what about others? So let the coefficient of 3-stage FIR lattice structure. So they have told 3-stage. Okay. So 3-stage means M is equal to 3. Lattice structure B, K1 is equal to 0.1, K2 is equal to 0.2 and K3 is equal to 0.3. So what they have told, find the coefficients of the direct form 1 FIR filter and draw its block diagram. So you have to find out the coefficients of direct form 1 and you should draw its block diagram. That is H of Z you have to find out. Okay. It will be in this form. So you have to draw it like this, direct form 1. X of n and y of n. So that what you need is, so we know K1 is equal to 0.1, that is A1 of 1. K2 is equal to 0.2, it is A2 of 2. K3 is equal to 0.3, it is A3 of 3. Okay. So A1 of 1 is equal to 0.1, that is K1. So A1 of 0 will be always equal to 1. A2 of 0 will also will be equal to 1. And A3 of 0 will also will be equal to 1. Okay. So now to find out A2 of 0, you will be having the coefficients A2 of 1, you will be having A2 of 2. Okay. For A3, when m is equal to 3, you will be having A3 of 0, you will be having A3 of 1, you will be having A3 of 2, and you will be having A3 of 3. Okay. So now for A2 of I, okay, so what is the formula? This is the formula. A2 of I is equal to A1 of I plus A2 of 2 into A1 of 2 minus I. So substitute for I is equal to 1 because we want A2 of 1. So substitute for I is equal to 1. So when you substitute for I is equal to 1, A2 of 1 is equal to A1 of 1 plus A2 of 2 into A1 of 2 minus 1, it is 1. Okay. Substitute all these things and you will be getting the answer 0.12. This one you know A2 of 2 is equal to K2, that is equal to 0.2. In the same way, for m is equal to 3. So we know A3 of 0 is equal to 1. We know A3 of 3, that is K3, that is equal to 0.3. So we need to calculate A3 of I. Okay. So A3 of I, again the same formula, A3 of I is equal to A2 of I plus A3 of 3 into A2 of 3 minus I. You have to substitute for I is equal to 1. Okay. You have to substitute for I is equal to 2. Substitute for I is equal to 1. So you will be getting A2 of I plus A3 of 3 into A2 of 2. So substitute will be getting the answer 0.18. In the same way, substitute for I is equal to 2, you will be getting 0.56. So now, what is h of z? We know that h of z is equal to 1 plus summation I is equal to 1 to 3. They have told it is third order. Okay, you have 3 lattice structures. So I is equal to 1 till 3. So when I is equal to 1 till 3, it is A3 of I into z raised to minus I. Okay, so this is the formula to find out h of z. H of z is equal to 1 plus summation I is equal to 1 to 3, A3 of I, z raised to minus 1. So 1 plus A3, you substitute for I is equal to 1, A3 of 1, z inverse, plus A3 of 2, z raised to minus 2, plus A3 of 3, z raised to minus 3. Okay, so you have got A3 of 1. Okay, A3 of 1. You know what is A3 of 2. You know what is A3 of 3. What will be getting? So how you'll be drawing? How will you be drawing direct from 1? It is, since it is third order, we are having 3 delays. So z inverse, so z inverse, so z inverse. Okay. So what it is? Here you will be having summation block. Here you will be having summation block. Here you will be having summation block. X of n 1. Okay, plus 0.18 into z inverse. Okay, plus 0.56 into z raised to minus 2 plus 0.3 into z raised to minus 3, and this one will be your y of n. So this one is your FIR lattice structure. Any doubts? Understood?
Yes, madam. Understood, madam.